How are you recording if you're on the boat?
Oh, that's water over there. It's water and mud.
And there's people out here, CJ. It's hard. Yeah, I know. Mommy's trying.
And she's trying to do that. And I don't do that.
You're doing just fine.
Mistake.
You're doing just fine. We're going in the tunnel, guys.
Yay!
Control, right? Tunnel. And riding them are in the purple one in front of us. This is really hard to control.
Mine
I can't record in drive. That's riding them boat. Purple one. Is this pretty funny, right, guys?
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
We gotta go.
Mine, where is
This is a workout. Mommy's trying. Then mommy trying to record.
Torment. Okay, so try it back.
Why I feel like it's getting stuck.
What's that?
Hi.
Hi!
They only go so fast.
Do this.
We're going in another tunnel. And get us in there.
Tunnel. Blue tunnel. Yes, that's right.
Sit still, Christian. Sit still. Oh, I see the octopus. And they go at the boat. This is hard. Yeah, I'm trying. Sit down. That's so fine. They got this. They got the boat, guys. They got the boat. It's dark over here, guys. Oh, look inside the You see the tree right here, Christian? Look, right there.
I see the tree. It's whistle. At the boat. At the boat.
Jesus, this is a workout. Oh my gosh.
This is so hard.
You ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, but I don't want to hear this book say.
I'm trying to record.
The octopus again.
I see the octopus.
I record.
No, mommy don't want her phone to probably fall in the water. I got it. Thank you, though.
Mommy, the octopus again.
I see the octopus.
The octopus again.
They go to octopus. Yeah.
We haven't crashed yet.
I know we haven't crashed yet.
Not yet again. See?
I see it.
And the finals.
They're pirates.
Pirates.
Yeah, look over here. They're pirates. They're pirates. Sit down, Christian.
Turn the boat. See, the turn the boat. Turn the boat? Yes. Why is the train the boat? Oh.
This is fun.
Mommy, you got it.
I see.
Mommy, get doggo.
Yeah, it's getting darker.
Mommy, what happened if we hit that?
We're not going to hit that.
What? But what happened? Let's go. Yes. Look at the bag. Look at the bag.
Huh? The bats? Yeah. Oh, we're about to crash. Oh, we crashed. Oh, we hit it.
Wait.
Oh, we hit that.
Oh, I'm just swimming.
Because it's up high.
Wait.
They're up high.